Hello, Dan here, and I want to talk to you about parallel gateways in workflows. To do that, I'm going to look at a data pipeline workflow that I've got built here. We'll go ahead and unlock that. I don't know what's going on there. Sorry, Trevor. But I want to point out this conditional or this parallel gateway we've got here. Right? Parallel gateways allow for an infinite number of pathways out. And what's neat about a parallel gateway is once the workflow gets to this point, it'll proceed down all those paths simultaneously. So in this case, we've got 3 different legs that come out of there, and they all start a data set running. I can have as many of these as I want. They don't all need to do the same thing, right? It's just important to know that as you create shapes and pathways that come out of a parallel gateway, it's going to go down all those paths at the same time. Now, there's a couple of other cool benefits and cool things that you can do with a parallel gateway. Let me get these extra shapes I've created on there. You can see in this example, I've got a parallel gateway that sends it down 3 different paths. And those 3 different paths have their own process. Now, those processes may take varying amounts of time. Later on in my workflow, I want to bring everything together back into a singular path. And you can see that I've got those piped into another parallel gateway. So in addition to having multiple processes go out, parallel gateways are also great for bringing processes together. In effect, what this means when I pipe multiple processes into a parallel gateway is it won't proceed past that parallel gateway until all the different paths or the different processes are met, right? So let's say that this gets done in 20 seconds and it's sitting here. This takes 60 seconds and this takes 90 seconds. Until all 3 of these are completed, it's not going to validate here and move on to what in this case is a conditional gateway. So just wanted to share that trick with you. Parallel gateways are good for a lot more than just sending it down multiple paths, but also great for bringing things back together. Again, come to the community if you got any questions. Let us know any additional videos like this that you might need that would be helpful. And of course, always tell us the cool things that you're automating via workflow. Thanks.